How to create WhatsApp business account. Want to connect with your customers like a pro? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to create your own WhatsApp business account from download to setup, so you can showcase your products, manage chats, and grow your brand right from your phone. Let's dive in and get you started today. First, open the App Store or Google Play Store on your device. In the search bar, type WhatsApp Business and search. Download the WhatsApp Business application to your device. Once the download is complete, open the application. Read and accept the terms and conditions to proceed. Enable notifications on your device so you never miss an important message. Tap on Use a different number to create your new business account. Select your region or country from the list provided. Enter your business phone number. Confirm your phone number and tap Yes to proceed. Enter the verification code sent to your phone number. Choose Skip if you do not wish to restore previous chats. Decide whether to allow or deny contact access based on your preference. Enter your official business name in the provided field. Select the most relevant business category from the options provided. Set your preferred business hours using one of the 3 available options. Upload a professional profile picture for your business account. Enter your business address and, if applicable, your business website. Write a clear and engaging description of your business. Save your login credentials for future convenience. Add a valid email address where customers can contact you. Enter the verification code sent to your registered email address. Congratulations! You have successfully created your WhatsApp business account. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share to support our growth.